Hello สวัสดีค่ะทุกคน Welcome back to another fashion video on my channel. It's been a while. Today's video is about anime inspired outfit ideas. Yeah. I will show you how I mix and match the outfit if I got the inspiration from anime characters. All of the clothes is just the stuff that I normally wear in real life. I didn't buy it for this video. So I try to make it easy and wearable for you guys. I'm not a cosplayer and this video is not a cosplay outfit. It's not 100% the same as the characters. Alright, let's jump right in. Let's start with this outfit based on Kudo Shinichi from Detective Conan. Wearing just a normal long sleeve white shirt inside, and I replace his shorts with plain skirt. I think it's gonna make outfit look more fun. At first I try to make it as similar as possible, but it might look a little bit boring, so I changed his formal suit to this denim jacket to be more casual. Next is an accessories. The main key is red voice changing bow tie. I don't have a bow tie, so I use this hair clip and attach it to the shirt. Do not forget the glasses. This one is very clear and penetrating. My baby G as a stun gun wristwatch. Some extra props like a magnifying glass. And I go with red Converse. Son Goku from Dragon Ball. Actually, I chose this one because I have a matching color outfit with this character, which is orange and blue. The first piece of clothes that came to my mind is this orange nylon track lounge pants with long white socks, matching with the sneakers. For the top, I should wear something orange that follow the character, right? But I think it's too much orange for this outfit. So I'm wearing this blue shirt with an orange collar and logo pattern. Wear it on top of a white camisole. No need to button up the shirt. Don't forget to add some accessories like belt, new boy's cap. Make your own style. Here's the final. How to call this style? I don't know. Kasumi from Pokemon. Her outfit is too simple and it's kinda hard for me. I don't know how to create this outfit because she wears just a tank top, denim shorts, and red suspender. So I'm not gonna change it much. Keep the yellow tank top and replace her shorts with denim overalls. White socks and red Converse. This is the most casual and wearable for this video, I guess. Let me try to tie my hair on one side. Okay, am I look like her yet? No, I'm not. This outfit is not based on any specific characters on Kimetsu no Yaiba. Wait, why am I wearing Hanjiro's earrings? I just want to work with these looks and resemble the anime. The image of the costume mostly are a uniform, right? So my outfit is based on Demon Slayer cops, but I don't want it to look too formal, so I'm wearing black tank top. Top up with sheer long line kimono, similar to some of Hashira members that wear haori for their jacket. White crop pants with black boots. Add more accessories, earrings, necklace, belt. I don't have a white one, so I go with this khaki belt and more chain. I can confirm that this outfit can wear in real life because I wore this outfit to watch Kimetsu no Yaiba at the cinema and no one noticed it. Is that a good thing? This outfit is also based on their Sowe's Cops uniform. I choose Mikasa as the main character for this outfit. Start with a long sleeve white shirt and black shorts. Don't forget to put on the leather body harness belt. Put a corduroy jacket on top. What is the main point of Mikasa outfit? Of course, the red scarf. I felt that my legs part was a bit too simple, so I was wearing this leather leg regatta belt. Actually, it has to put this side to the front, but I wanted to see only these two straps, similar to the character costume, so I put the back side to the front instead. Same boots, with long white socks. Last one is Bruno Buccellati. I know my outfit is not that bizarre for JoJo. I can make it more bizarre, but I want the outfit to be a bit simple and practical in real life, something like easy to wear. First, I'm wearing a sleeve sheer strip merch and put this lace trim bralette on top of it. Layering with oversized ripped shirt and button up only middle part of the shirt. Put this black cloth belt on. Adjust the neckline, put it to the back. Or you can let the shirt fall only one side, whatever you want. Put some accessories on. For the pants, I'm wearing double layer chiffon wide leg pants with black boots again. I literally wear these boots with every outfit. Yep, that's it. If you have any anime characters suggestion for this kind of video, like mix and match or fashion stuff, this is the kind of video. Please comment down below in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!